I'd like to talk about what is Design Your School. Design Your School is a software that's really come from a lot of work and a lot of experience in a number of programs through the Capital Build program, the Primary Capital program, and also actually just an understanding of schools generally and an understanding of how what we're trying to do is to deliver transformational learning spaces. I'd like to just talk around a little bit around the Capital Building program. What we've seen through experience is that the key part, one of the key understandings in this process is stakeholder engagement. Historically, where I feel that the issue has been is that buildings don't necessarily understand learning particularly well, and learning doesn't particularly understand buildings. So what we've got is this issue where teachers, senior leaders, sponsors, local authorities are now become involved in massive building programs. Fantastic opportunity, but we need to make sure we get it right. The stakeholder engagement historically is going to be working where you've got architects, builders sitting down, sometimes with very complicated CAD drawings, asking teachers and students and senior leaders, sponsors to sign off on what they believe is great learning spaces. Unfortunately, a lot of the time it's very difficult for people to visualise and understand exactly what that learning space is and how that can really work and support transformational learning. So Design Your School is about taking that design and bringing it to life in a really visual and engaging way. I'll talk a little bit later about the collaborative elements of it. So we've spoken with a lot of people this week and said kind of where are you in the process? Where are you in BSF, are you in Build? And we've had a kind of a mixed approach of people saying, you know, when should we start engaging in this process? And my kind of view is you should be engaging now, you should have been engaging before. Because actually, if you're going into a building process, you really want to be starting to understand what a transformational learning space can be now, so that when you get into that process, you can really challenge and understand the building and design process. We've talked to other schools who aren't in the building process and saying, you know, where are we at? What should we be doing? Well, again, they should be looking at what they're doing and their understanding of how changing the dynamic of the classroom can change the dynamic of the teaching. Design Your School is about bringing that dynamic into a truly visual, fully scaled 3D environment that allows you to actually see what that space can be and test it out in a very safe environment and actually then plan rooms out. A little bit about the software. It's completely web-based. We sit and host in the Amazon cloud. It's full two-dimensional, three-dimensional, and allows a simple import, so we can import plans directly into the CAD. It allows simple scaling of the software, and as you can see there, that was a plan of one of our primary schools that's literally been transformed into 3D. It brings it to life and takes it away from a drawing, which can often be really, really complicated to understand. Enables real-time integration and collaboration. What you see there on the drawing is down the left-hand side, obviously, is a library of furniture. We know that the integration of your furniture and your ICT into that building is absolutely critical to the final delivery and the outcome and how that can support the transformational learning elements of it. So we have libraries on the left-hand side, fully customisable. You can bring in any objects that you want to as 3D models. They can be scaled, they can be locked. We're able to look at specific types of furniture that you're investigating and looking at. But what you're then able to do is bring those into the scale drawing, move them around until you can really understand and get a feel of what that space is actually going to look like. We need to be engaging with everybody, the students, the parents, teachers, boards of governors, sponsors, the wider community. The collaboration of the software being web-based means that any plan, any design can simply be shared across a simple web link. All you need is an internet browser with Flash enabled, and everyone is engaged. They feel that they are involved in the process. It's being done with them, not to them. And that's just so key to what you're doing within these programs. Supports the design of transformational learning spaces, the IT and furniture. We're able to bring in any kind of furniture, any kind of model, any kind of idea or thought process. We're talking about lots of, you know, flexible. Do we want flexible with a small f? No, we want flexible with a capital F. Do we want open spaces, learning plazas? Different ways of learning are going to need to be represented in a graphical three-dimensional way, so we can actually understand and see what that does. The software allows you to add people, add students, so they actually get a feel for what that learning space can actually be. Really delighted today to have with us David Trix. David is the CEO of the Academies Enterprise Trust.
We have a vision, as all schools will have. They'll have their aims, their objectives, their vision, the whole thing, and what this has allowed us to do is to move that vision into a reality. We can have all the words about inspiring young people to make their best better. We can talk about the world-class outcomes through world-class teachers in a world-class community. But what that actually, how do we deliver that into the classroom? How do you actually make that live and real? Otherwise it ends up with the leadership team telling the teachers what they're going to do in the way that they do it. When they start a project to change a classroom, if they want to redesign something, they now use this, because they're actually getting buy-in from the teachers. One of the biggest concerns I've had over the last 25 years in management of schools is ensuring the teachers get what they say they want. They've been able to move their furniture around, they can say where they want the plugs, they can say the size of the whiteboard, they can see which sort of furniture they want. They are totally engaged. The young people have been engaged as well. They can go online and do it for themselves. Now that makes a massive difference from my perspective of one key element. When they've finished, when they're happy, it's printed and they sign to say that's exactly what we wanted. We've been able to link this out to the parents. So we've got fantastic drawings and pictures of the new school. What will that mean in the classroom? What will it actually look like? The young people in the primary schools coming up to the new academies, they can look in and see what their classroom will look like, what the features of those classrooms will be. We can drive down costs, because now with this, in looking at the number of classrooms across 2 academies, 152 classrooms, to produce a list at the end, an Excel spreadsheet, and say here's our furniture and fittings requirements, now we can put that to tender with great benefits. So I think what this allowed us to do is to move from that world-class vision into our methodology, those world-class outcomes in the middle there. We want to be that education provider of choice to the students who want to come to school, students engaged in school, children who attend all the time. They want to be there because their environment's correct. We want to be the employer of choice to the staff, to make sure the staff have got what they want. Not what we tell them they're going to have, not what's going to allow the budget to be cut. They've got what they want in a cost-effective way. And that investment of choice to parents, where parents can come in, look online, see where we are, see what we're actually delivering for them, and consult with the parents, engage the parents with just a simple change in the classroom. And of course in primary schools, very often over the years, there's been spaces that are strange, odd-shaped spaces. Until we got involved with designing a school, being able to look at this product effectively, we could never make the best use. We could get someone's 2D vision, but we couldn't actually put people in. We couldn't put speakers in and see what the sound delivery looks like. We couldn't move it around and put the whiteboard next to a door and see how that works. So we believe this product is very much helping us to take that into reality. And I would only say from our whole management of the organisation, it has simplified things in a fantastic way.